Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your yes trading mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, July 20th, 2010. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for a max potential of 44 ES ticks. This video is for educational purpose only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 53.50. And we immediately just held that level and made a move to the upside above our moving average. Came down, got our first signal to get long, and unfortunately for us, came down and got stopped out almost to the tick there, and ultimately ended up pushing higher. But we did take a full stop out, came back across the moving average. We actually had an extension entry after that that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks as the market continued to show its strength early on. Almost made it up to its half gap, came into the 10 o'clock reversal time, had a slight push down, actually gave us an opportunity to get short, ended up taking some heat on that trade, but ultimately worked out targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks before the market resumed its upward wage. You can see that it ultimately filled its half gap, came off that half gap level, gave us an opportunity to get long. That long did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 14 ticks as we pushed higher into the 1040 confirmation time. Now there was a slight pullback during that 1045 confirmation time, actually gave us a signal to get short, and this looked like we were going to really roll over here. Took the signal only to get a full stop out, T0 minus 14. Coming right off that stop out though, there was an opportunity to get long, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 ticks as we went all the way up to the daily pivot and our 11:15, 11:30 reversal time. Also filled our 4:15 gap during that same time. And during that 11:15, 11:30 reversal time, we actually was rejected off the pivot. The market started trading lower, but you know we do not mess with the markets during this lunchtime dead zone, that 11:30 to 1:15 time frame. We actually stay out. We actually had a signal set up, and as soon as 1:15 came, we actually got a signal to get long. Produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside as the market continued to show its strength. Went up to the Globex high and the 4 p.m. Closing price, went through that level, made its way all the way up to the previous day's high and beyond, and this market was just on a tear, 13 ticks to the upside. Pulled back down through our moving average, actually gave us a signal to get short. It was a small little trade. Actually, this was one of those trades that you actually got filled at the level. You can see we had multiple areas. Our order was right here at 71.50, got filled and actually taken out. So that was just due to the number of contracts traded on that particular trade. Usually you have to go through that level. That one was just a touch. And after that, the last trade of the day came down. There was a this first opportunity. There was we were just violating our rules a little bit here. We could not take this initial entry. We had to wait. The market pushed higher again. Finally gave us an entry going right into that almost right before that 3 o'clock quitting time. Got a signal to get long, and luckily for us we did, because it did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 12 additional ticks. So all in all, a very active day. 9 trades, 44 ES ticks, and that is including a couple of full stop outs. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.